Now sit down. Kahit kung di utak to, mag-iyak-iyak lang mo, magdagadagan, magpaningot, o wala may makatunan. Diba? So, thank your mentors, your teachers, for teaching you and giving their time to teach you memory verses, songs, and stories that you have learned. Thank you for the premier plays. Thank you for the songs, the stories, and the memory verses, and many more. Thank you for the parents and for the families for sending your children and support them in letting them attend a children's story hour. No children, no story hour. No teachers, no story hour. No parents that could send their children, wala kang may itabuyak na. So every one of you made your part in making this children's story hour possible. And today, I can confidently say that you treasure the time you spend in the learning experiences that children have had. Lesson number 3. What is lesson number 1? My dear teachers? What is lesson number 1? Huh? What is lesson number 1?
Creation.
Good. Celebrate small things. Number 2, treasure memories. And number 3, I have only 3 lessons that you have learned. Never stop growing and developing your talents. Do not just stop here. Maumang na ang children's story out. Wala na. Wala ka pa. Wala kay Carl. Maybe naman mag-usig naman dito no story sa inyo mga deliver na. Do not stop there. Continue to develop the habit of reading, searching, asking from your parents if there are still some materials that you can read.
Proud ba na balik?
Bible readings and to